Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to tag friends after posting on Facebook. For that you will have to launch your Facebook mobile application, and after that you just have to select that particular post which you have posted, and now you want to tag your friends onto it. After selecting the post, you are going to see these three dots right next to it. So you will have to tap on these three dots, and after that you need to tap on edit post. Once I've done that, you are going to see bunch of different options in the bottom. So among these options, you will have to tap on this blue icon. After that, it will show you all of your friends, and now in order to tag them, you will have to check the box right next to their profile, and after selecting your friends, you will have to come back on this page where you are going to see this friends tab in the top, and in the brackets you are going to see this tag icon. It simply means that you have successfully tagged your friends on this post. In order to save it, you will have to tap on the save button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and this is how you can easily tag your friends after posting on Facebook. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.